Dear students, now we will start with word problems of chapter 5 length. Here are some examples. First we do example 1. Sonu needs 5 meter 25 centimeter of blue ribbon and 2 meter 50 centimeter of red ribbon. For her doll, what is the total length of ribbon needed? So here first of all we will understand the question that a girl Sonu, she needs blue and red ribbon for her doll. 5 meter 25 centimeter blue ribbon and 2 meter 50 centimeter red ribbon, and you have to find what is the total length of ribbon. So how much she get in total? So we will add these questions, add these length of ribbons. So here we are having length of blue ribbon, that is 5 meter 25 centimeter, and again we will make two columns, meter and centimeter, and we write 5 meter and 25 centimeter in the respective columns. Then we will write length of red ribbon, that is 2 meter under the meter column and 50 centimeter under centimeter column. And after adding, because we have to find the total length, so after adding we will get the answer as 7 meter 75 centimeter. So here Sonu needs 7 meter 75 centimeter ribbon in total. Now in our next example, a roll of electric wire contains 75 meter 50 centimeter of wire. Now here we are having a roll of electric wire, the whole roll. This means the total roll, the total wire is 75 meter 50 centimeter. This is the total length. If 62 meter 75 centimeter of wire is used, out of this total wire, if this wire is used, how much wire is left on the roll? Now here we have to find how much wire is left. In solution we will not write how much, more, what, etc. We will write just the solution. So here is the solution. Because we are having total length of wire, that is 75 meter and 50 centimeter, again we will make two columns, and the wire which we used out of this wire, that is 62 meter 75 centimeter. Now to find how much wire is left with us, because if we use something, we have left something, rest of the wire is left, so we have to find the left wire, and for that we will subtract it. So from the total we will subtract the wire used and we will get wire left. Then wire left is subtracted. 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so we will take it. Here we will take, as you know, we have to take borrow from 75. From 75 we take 1 meter borrow, so here it will become 74, and 100 we will add to centimeter, so we will get 150. Out of 150 we will subtract 75 now. Now after subtracting we get 75 centimeter, and after subtracting meters we get 12 meters. So 12 meter 75 centimeter of wire is left on the roll. So like this we will do our problem sums. Now we will go to our worksheet. So we will do worksheet 4 on page number 56. Question 1 is to solve the word problems. A part. First of all we read A part. Neetu bought 3 meter 75 centimeter of cloth for shirt and 2 meter 20 centimeter of cloth for trouser. What is the total length of cloth she bought? Here she bought cloth for shirt and cloth for trouser, and you have to tell how much cloth she bought. So here we will add these length. So first of all write the first word Neetu and the last word, that is bought. So first word and the last word. Instead of writing the whole question, we will write first and the last word. And here we are going to do the solution of this question. Now here we are having cloth for shirt. So first of all we will write cloth for shirt. Then she bought cloth for trouser. So we will write cloth for trouser. Here you put dash dash. Instead of writing the same word, put this dash in center. Trouser. Again you will do to make the columns meter and centimeter. Shirt 3 meter 75 centimeter. Here we will write 3 meter and 75 centimeter. Do not forget to make carry box. Here we know we have to add, so we will make the carry box. Box is the same, just the name is different. In addition we say it as carry box. In subtraction we say it as borrow box. Now trouser 2 meter 20 centimeter. Now we have to find the total length of cloth. Total length of cloth. Always remember when you are doing the problem sums, this equal to is on the straight line, same line. Equal to on the same line, so that you may solve the sums easily. So here you get 5, 7 plus 2 is 9, no carry is there, 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 meter 95 centimeter cloth she bought in total. So here you will write the answer. Always write answer in problem sums. So here you will write Neetu bought 5 meter 95 centimeter cloth. In total she bought 5 meter 95 centimeter cloth. Now we will do the next part. Amit travelled 15 km 550 meter by train, 12 km 400 meter by bus and 1 km 250 meter by scooter. How much distance did he travel in all? Here you have to find the total of these three. So you will add all these three. So first of all write the first word, that is Amit, and the last word, that is all. Now do the solution of this question. So here Amit travelled by train, then travelled by bus, then travelled by scooter, and you have to find how much distance he travelled in all. So here you will write distance travelled, first of all by train, again equal to, and you will make two columns, kilometer and meter, and the carry box. So by train he travelled 15 km 550 meters. So here we will write 15 and 550 kilometer and meter. Now distance travelled by bus, that is 12 km 400 meter. then we will write 12 kilometer and 400 meter. And then by scooter 1 kilometer 250 meters. And distance traveled by scooter, SCOOTER, scooter. Here we will write 1 kilometer and 250 meter. If you will write 1 here, then it will become on tens place. So on ones place itself write 1, because it will 0 1, not 1 0. Now you have to find the total distance traveled. So total distance traveled equal to on the same line, and you have to add it. So put the sign of plus. Always put the sign of plus if you are doing addition, and in subtraction put the sign of minus. So here we are doing addition, so we put the sign of plus. Now add it. 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 and 1 carry is 12. And as you know, this carry will go in kilometers. Now 5 plus 2 7, plus 1 8 and 1 9, 1 plus 1 2. So we get 29 kilometer and 200 meters. So Amit traveled 29 kilometer 200 meters in all. Now in C part, Mrs. Renu has a ribbon 16 meters 75 centimeter long. She cuts it into 2 pieces. One piece is 8 kilometer 90 centimeter. Find the length of other piece. Suppose you are having one ribbon and you cut it in 2 pieces. One may be long, one may be small. So in total she is having 16 meter 75 centimeter and one piece is 8 meter 90 centimeter. You have to find the length of other piece. So here we will subtract. So first of all write first word and the last word. Mrs. Renu into piece. Now total length of ribbon. That is, again you will separate it into 2 columns, meter and centimeter, and length of ribbon is 16 meter and 75 centimeter. Here you can take the box as borrow box, because when we read the question we know we have to subtract it here, and whenever you subtract you will take the borrow box. Now we have length of one piece, that is 8 meter. 8 means 08. So you will write like this. In meters you will take this as ones place and this as tens place. So ones place under ones place, 8 meter and 90 centimeter. Now you have to find the length of other piece. Length of other piece. So always remember to put equal to on the same line, and here we will subtract it. So put the sign of minus. Now subtract it. 5 minus 0 we get 5. Now here it will become 175, because we will take 1 meter borrow from this. Now because 9 is not subtracted by 7. So we will take borrow. Here it will become 175 and it will become 15 and it will become 175. Now 17 minus 9 we can have 8 and 15 minus 8, that is 7. So we get 7 meter 85 centimeter. So in answer we can write the length of other piece is 7 meter 85 centimeter. Do not forget to write the answer. Now in the part, the heights of Ram and Shyam are 1 meter 75 centimeter and 1 meter 28 centimeter respectively. Now you have to tell who is taller and by how much. So here you check the height of Ram and the height of Shyam. Height of Ram, that is 1 meter 75 centimeter and Shyam is 1 meter 28 centimeter. So in meters we are having 1 in both, but in centimeters 75 is greater than 28. So height of Ram is greater than Shyam. So and we have to find who is taller. That we know Ram is taller than Shyam, and by how much. For by how much we need to subtract it. So we will subtract it. So how we will write? First of all, we will take first word and the last word, and here we are having height of Ram. We write height of Ram first because Ram is taller. Then we will write height of Shyam. We will write meter, centimeter, height of Ram is 1 meter and 75 centimeter. Take borrow box because we know we have to subtract it. Now height of Shyam, that is 1 meter 28 centimeter. Put the sign of subtraction, minus. Now we will write who is taller than Shyam. Who is taller? Ram is taller. So we will write Ram is taller than Shyam by because we are finding how much he is taller. So by we will subtract it. We get 15 minus 8 and from 7 we borrow 1. Now 15 minus 8, that is 7. 6 minus 2, 4 and 0. So we get 0 meter 47 centimeter. And in answer, no need to write 0 meters because meters has no value. So we will write only centimeter. So in answer we can write Ram is taller. Who is taller? Ram. Ram is taller than Shyam by, no need to write the meters here, by 47 centimeter. In part E, an ant climbed 9 meter 50 centimeter on a wall. Then it came down 4 meter 75 centimeter along the same wall. How far is the ant from the starting point? So here an ant climbed a wall. Suppose from here ant starts and it climbs the wall up to 9 meter and 50 centimeter. Suppose here up to here it climbs. Now he came down up to this point 4 meter 75 centimeter. Now the ant is here now and you have to tell how much distance is left. So here we need to subtract, because from the total height we subtract the came down height. The ant came down, and we get the remaining height. So first of all we will write total height. The ant climbed the total height, that is in meters and centimeter. Need a borrow box, and total height is 9 meter 50 centimeter. Now here height, the ant came down, the height came down, that is 4 meters and 75 centimeters. And you have to find the height from the starting point now. So you have to find the height far from starting point now. So we need to subtract, so put the sign of minus. Now here 50 is less than 75, so we need one borrow from meters. So here we get 150. Now from 150 we subtract 75. 10 minus 5, 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we get 4 meters 75 centimeters. So now the ant is 4 meters 75 centimeter far from the starting point. The halfway, it came down halfway. 4 meters 75 centimeter it came down, and 4 meters 75 centimeter is left, is the remaining. So halfway it is far from the starting point. So here completes the worksheet 4.